In this video, we'll be creating puppet animation using the free Toontastic app. So the app up, once it's loaded, you click on the plus, and for this example, I'm going to pick the short story. It only has 3 parts, and from there, I'm going to click on beginning for the first scene. Once the short intro is passed, or you can tap on it to skip, we can select from quite a large selection of scenes. I'm going to go with the spy for my clip. And then let's add some characters. We'll have the spy himself. We'll add in a great ape maybe. And how about someone in a little mini chopper? You can click on that draw your own button. Clearly depends on your artistic skills how good your character will be. But I'm going to move on and get ready to start filming. So we can move around the area to choose where to start filming. I'm going to bring my spy into this bottom room here. My monkey will be waiting at the top of the stairs. And we can put the chopper, let's say, off screen there for a moment. Now I'm going to zoom in on my spy. You can see the little circle showing the other 2 characters are off screen, and click start recording. Gives you a little countdown to begin. It's now recording your movement and the sound you're making. So I'm just going to move him around the room as he's pacing, adding something out. I might change the background now to get him to go up the stairs, up these steps where he will meet the monkey, and so on. I can press stop. Once it replays, if I tap on the screen, it lets me put some music in the background. Choose how loud I want it. I can then click plus. And there's my first scene finished. It could go on to do more scenes, or just click on the finish button, where I can give it a title and the name of the author. And click on plus. That completes your video. It shows it to you. And if you're happy with it, you can click the export button, which will help you to save it to your photo library. And there you go. That's how you create a puppet animation using Toontastic.